world isn't run by effort, it's run by systems. Effort might start things, but it's systems that control the outcomes. If your life feels like it requires constant force, you don't have authority, you have exhaustion. True authority is built when systems replace struggle. Think about it. Hard work has limits. Your time and energy are finite. You can't just keep scaling up your effort indefinitely. But you know what you can scale? Systems. This is precisely why so many people hit a plateau. They try to work harder instead of smarter, and eventually, they just burn out. Real authority doesn't come from doing everything yourself. It comes from designing how things get done. So what exactly is a system? It's simple, really. A system is just a repeatable decision. It's the answer to questions like, how does money come into my life or business? How is my time allocated? What does my workflow look like? How are my standards enforced? When you make a decision once, and then create a process to execute it forever, you eliminate chaos. Systems are just discipline in motion. They are the frameworks that allow you to operate effectively without reinventing the wheel every single day. Now, a common mistake is thinking that scaling means doing more, faster. That's not it. True scale is about doing less, but doing it better. When your systems are weak, any attempt at growth just leads to collapse. It's like trying to pour more water into a leaky bucket. But when your systems are strong, growth creates authority. Scaling exposes your weaknesses, but it's your systems that protect your strengths and allow you to expand without breaking. This is where authority really emerges from structure. Authority isn't just about being charismatic or loud. It appears when your results are predictable, when your standards are consistently enforced, and when your decisions are consistent. People trust structure far more than they trust empty promises, and that trust is what turns into real authority. It's the quiet confidence that comes from knowing things will run smoothly because the structure is solid. So why do most people never manage to scale their lives or their businesses? It's because they confuse control with involvement. They think they need to have their hands in everything. But if everything depends on you, you don't have a system, you have a bottleneck. Building systems requires letting go of your ego. Authority isn't about being needed everywhere. It's about being trusted everywhere, even when you're not present. It's the ultimate form of leverage. Ready to start building. It's not as complicated as it sounds. Start here. Systemize your income. Create a clear process for how money flows to you. Systemize your time. Block out your calendar for your most important tasks. Systemize your learning. Set aside specific times to acquire new skills. Systemize your decisions and your standards. By doing this, you turn discipline into your default behavior, making success almost automatic. Remember this: effort creates motion, systems create momentum, and scale creates authority. If this episode changed how you think about your work and your life, like the video. Share it with someone who's still trapped in the cycle of endless effort. And if you're ready to build systems that truly scale, subscribe to Profit Pulse Network. This isn't about hustle. This is about structure.